For this recipe, you need aloe vera gel. Just make sure that it is pure if you want to buy it from the store and that it contains at least 95% of aloe vera gel. Now you have to pick an oil of your choice and add it to the aloe vera gel. In this video, I am using the rice bran oil because I have a combination skin and rice bran is very light and does not leave any oily effect on your skin, which is perfect for people with combination to oily skin. So please use an oil that suits your skin needs and mostly your skin type. As you can see, you can also use this cream on the skin. It is very light and very moisturizing. In this video, I have used 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and 1 teaspoon of oil. You can use more oils, especially if you have a dry skin. You can also double the measurements in case you want to make a bigger size of this moisturizer. The texture of this cream is so sumptuous. Now I'm going to use it on my skin just to show you how moisturizing this cream is. This homemade cream is very cost effective as you don't need that much to moisturize your skin. You can also add essential oils in this cream. You can add tea tree if you have acne, turmeric essential oil if you have dark spots and you want a glowing skin. You can also use lemongrass or citrus essential oil if you are struggling with pimple or dull skin. You can use lavender if you really want your cream to smell very nice. You can truly customize this cream. I truly recommend you to try this recipe as it is going to help you start your own skincare products at home. Mostly you can see how much my skin is just well nourished, well moisturized and mostly very glowy. This is the end of my video and I really hope that you have enjoyed. Don't please forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this. Please comment something that you want to see on my channel. God bless you. Thank you for your support and bye.